I'm Claire Lobdell, one of the GCC librarians. I'm making this quick video to show you how to download a PDF from a Google document and how to upload a PDF to Moodle. I'm going to go to the File menu in the upper left corner. I'm going to scroll down to Download and then over to PDF. Once I click that, it's going to save the file in the Downloads folder on my computer. Now I'm going to go to Moodle, down to where my professor has asked me to submit the assignment. You'll see that the assignment icon looks the same in any Moodle course. It's a little pink icon that looks like an up arrow over a piece of paper. So I am going to click the green Add Submission button. And the easiest way to add this PDF that I just created is to go to the Downloads folder on my computer and then drag and drop this PDF over to the submission box. I've dragged and dropped it, but it is not submitted yet. In order to submit it, you scroll down to where it says Save Changes, click the green Save Changes button, and now I can see under submission status, it's highlighted in green and it says submitted for grading. If I realized that I added the wrong file, I could click this remove submission button, the gray remove submission button, and just go through the process again of dragging and dropping the correct file into here. Good luck, and if you need any help from the library, please reach out.